Hey lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing a meal that I think most people love, and that's steamed fish and okra with some good old Jamaican tough crackers. So we're serving it with crackers today. Also, we all know that steamed fish and okra is an aphrodisiac. So for the guys, we know you love it because it's strong up the back, and ladies, the okra might put the slime where the slime needs to go. So to get my recipe, just stay tuned and let's go to the video. Also guys, remember to like, hit that thumbs up button, share this video and subscribe. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about this meal, but remember to subscribe. If you haven't hit that subscription button as yet, just hit that red subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. So what we're steaming today is red snapper fish. And when you're buying a fish, to know if the fish is fresh, you need to look at the eyes. You see how this eye is glossy? Once the eye is glossy, you know that the fish is a fresh fish. Don't buy no fish with pale eyes, okay? So for the ingredients, we'll be using some escallion, tomato, carrot, garlic, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, of course. We have pumpkin flavored soup mix, some cock soup, all-purpose fish seasoning, black pepper, pimento seed. We have some bell peppers, okra, good old Jamaican tough crackers, and I'm just gonna use some vinegar, of course, to wash the fish. Oh, and just to add, my fish is already scaled and finned. So I asked the guys at the store to do it. If it's not, then you already know you have to scale your fish. But yeah, mine was already done. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is season the fish and put it to marinate for a bit and cut the seasoning up. So I'm seasoning it with some fish seasoning. Always remember the inside. The inside needs love too. And the other side. We rub it on. I'm using some black pepper. Always remember the inside. Then I'm using some all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm gonna put some garlic on it and leave it for it to marinate. any oil. I'm gonna place the fish in the pot. Then I'm gonna put all the seasoning on the fish.
Bro, you know you could have just lift up the cutting board and just throw it in there, but you're being hard.
Yes.
Oh
I can do it after this. You can just speed it up. Oh my gosh.
Simple.
Sure.
This looks so pretty right now.
It does? I'm gonna cut that part out. So now that we have done this, I have some boiling water, or I should say I have some hot water. I didn't want to turn it on yet. I have some hot water, so I'm not using any oil. I have some hot water. And I'm just going to turn on the stove, put it on medium high. Season with some all-purpose. Fish seasoning. And put some pimento seed in it. All we are gonna do right now is just cover it and let it boil. Ready? So this is 10 minutes later. And remember, every fish is different, but this one, the bottom is already getting soft. So I'm gonna throw my pumpkin flavor in it. So guys, if you have actual pumpkin, you can do that too, but if you want to do it the easy lazy way, you put the pumpkin powder. And I'm gonna put my cock soup in. I'm also gonna add some thyme. Now I'm gonna spin it. Without breaking it. So as you can see, this side is actually soft. And I might add another cock soup to it. Normally I'd use 2, so I'm gonna add another one and let it cook down for another 2 minutes and add my crackers. So I've added my other cock soup. Yeah, it needed one more. Now I'm gonna add my crackers. This fish is actually soft, so it's cooking a lot faster than anticipated. So I'm gonna add my crackers now. And you add as much as you want. Then I'm gonna leave it to cook down for another 10 minutes, and that's it. Another, well, 5 to 10 minutes, anywhere in between. I also added the cock soup last because it has a tendency to stick to the bottom of the pot and you don't want your fish to burn, so you add it last. Now I'm gonna cover this and let it cook down 8 to 10 minutes. So this is actually 5 minutes later. It's soft and it's actually ready. You know, you still need your crackers to have a bit of a crunch. So it didn't last 10 minutes. As I said, the fish is soft. So this is like 3 to 5 minutes later. So I'm gonna take it out now. Show you the end product. this is the end product of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, and also if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. As always, remember to like, share, and comment what you would like me to cook below.